How do I find the location of Python module sources? How do I learn where the source file for a given Python module is installed? Is the method different on Windows than on Linux? I'm trying to look for the source of the datetime module in particular, but I'm interested in a more general answer as well.
For a pure Python module, you can find the source by looking at the module._file_. The datetime module, however, is written in C, and therefore datetime._file_ points to A. So file, there is no datetime._file_ on Windows, and therefore, you can't see the source. If you download a Python source tarball and extract it, the module's code can be found in the modules subdirectory. For example, if you want to find the datetime code for Python 2.6, you can look at. You can also find the latest version of this file on GitHub on the web at this URL.
Running Python v from the command line should tell you what is being imported and from where. This works for me on Windows and Mac OS X. I'm not sure what those bad times are on my install.
I realize this answer is 4 years late, but the existing answers are misleading people. The right way to do this is never _file_ or trying to walk through sys.path and search for yourself, etc. unless you need to be backward compatible beyond 2.1. It's the inspect module, in particular, getFile or getSourceFile. Unless you want to learn and implement the rules, which are documented, but painful for Python 2.x, and not documented at all for other implementations, or 3.x, for mapping.py to .py files, dealing with zip archives, eggs, and module packages, trying different ways to get the path to .so/.pyd files that don't support _file_, figuring out what Python/pypy do, etc. in which case, go for it. Meanwhile, every Python version source from 2.0+ is available online at http://python.org/python/file/x.y/, for example, 2.7 or 3.3. So, once you discover that inspect.getFile datetime is a .so or .pyd file like .7/libdimload/datetime.so, you can look it up inside the modules directory. Strictly speaking, there's no way to be sure of which file defines which module, but nearly all of them are either foo.c or foomodule.c, so it shouldn't be hard to guess that datetime module.c is what you want.
If you're using pip to install your modules, just pip show $module the location is returned.